A single AI agent can answer questions, but a team of AI agents? They can run an entire business while you sleep. Most people are still stuck building one chatbot at a time. Meanwhile, a small group of builders figured out how to make multiple AI agents talk to each other, delegate tasks, and solve problems no single agent ever could. They're not just using AI, they're building AI companies. And the framework they're using? It's called DeepTech. Here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need to code from scratch. You don't need a PhD. You need a system. And that system has exactly 4 layers. Layer 1, the operator agent. Think of this as your CEO. It receives every incoming request, breaks it down, and decides which specialist agent handles what. It doesn't do the work itself. It delegates. The biggest mistake beginners make is stuffing everything into one agent. That's like hiring one person to do sales, accounting, customer support, and product design. It collapses. The operator agent only makes decisions, nothing else. Layer 2 is where it gets wild. Specialist agents. These are your workers. One handles research, another writes content, a third manages data analysis, a fourth does outreach. Each one has a narrow job and a specific set of tools. The research agent might have access to web search and document parsing. The writing agent connects to a language model fine-tuned for copy. The outreach agent plugs into email APIs. They don't overlap. They don't compete. They execute. Now here's the secret most people miss about Layer 3, and it changes everything. Layer 3, the memory backbone. Without memory, your agents are goldfish. They forget every conversation, every decision, every client preference. The DeepTech Framework uses a shared vector database. Every interaction gets embedded and stored. When the operator agent routes a new task, it pulls relevant context from memory first. That means your specialist agents aren't starting from zero. They already know the client's history, tone preference, past feedback, everything. This is what separates a toy demo from a real agency. Layer 4, the feedback loop. Your agents need to get better over time. Every output gets scored. Did the client approve the draft? Did the research hit the mark? Did the outreach email get a reply? Those signals feed back into the system. Low scores trigger retraining or prompt adjustments. High scores reinforce the current approach. It's evolution on autopilot. So what does this look like in practice? Picture this. A client sends a message asking for a market analysis on electric vehicles in Southeast Asia. The operator agent receives it, recognizes the task type, pulls memory on this client's past requests, and routes it to the research agent. The research agent searches the web, pulls data from 3 databases, and compiles a raw report. That raw report gets passed to the writing agent, which formats it into a polished document, matching the client's preferred style. The whole thing takes 11 minutes. No human touched it. Now here's what you actually need to build this. First, pick your orchestration framework. AutoGen, CrewAI, or LangGraph. Each one lets you define agents, assign roles, and set communication rules. CrewAI is the fastest to get started. LangGraph gives you the most control. AutoGen sits in the middle. Second, define your agents with razor-sharp role descriptions. Vague instructions produce vague results. Tell the research agent exactly what sources to prioritize. Tell the writing agent exactly what tone to use. Specificity is the entire game. Third, connect your tools. APIs, databases, file systems, web scrapers. Each specialist agent only gets the tools it needs. No more, no less. Over-equipping an agent leads to confusion and hallucination. Fourth, set up your memory layer. Use a vector store like Pinecone, Weaviate, or Chroma. Every input and output gets embedded and stored with metadata. Tag it by client, project, and date. Fifth, build your feedback scoring system. Start simple. A thumbs up or thumbs down from the client. Then, layer in automated quality checks. Compare outputs against benchmarks. Flag anything below threshold. The agencies making real money right now aren't selling chatbots. They're selling outcomes. Automated research departments. Content pipelines that never stop. Outreach systems that learn and adapt with every send. One framework, 4 layers, unlimited scale. Thank you.